Ladies and gentlemen, Crypto Mercy, hope you're well and very happy to be with you today. And let's jump right away inside this Elrond chart. Now, I'm seeing an impulse down. I was pointing out a possible WXYXZ because subcounting was pretty tough. Now they make it tough, really. Now I'm very comfortable with this ending diagonal wave 5. Wave 5, I'm talking about this impulse down. We are in the last wave down of this A wave. Because when you get an impulse down inside an A wave, you will get a zigzag ABC after, and this is what we're going to talk later. But now I'm going to focus on possible targets inside this falling wedge pattern for this wave 5 here. Falling wedge pattern are bullish pattern like this, and just to explain you, when you have this, you will have a compression in volume. And you can play this is the top of the wedge, this is the bottom of the wedge. And when I'm gonna take the arrow on the other side this way, this is your pole, and at the point of your breakout, you should reach at least the top of this pole right here on the breakout of the roof. Okay, what I mean by this is at a certain point, compression it will get intense, and we will bounce back and confirm the roof of the wedge as a support. And it's at that time you are breaking out inside a new impulse, and this is what's going to happen after what I'm going to show you. Now, on the other sense, you will get what we call a rising wedge. Rising wedge is a bearish pattern. All right, it's a compression, but on the other sense. And at this point, at a certain point, when it will break out, volume will pick up, selling volume will pick up, and the price will go down, at least at the pole target. All right. Let's go and let's zoom in about what's going on right here, right now. And I've been pointing out to my members on the whole that 169.23 is a very strong support. And this all movement right here that we are seeing, I just want to show you, this is, I'm going to put this a bit bigger this way. You can follow this. We are inside a wave 5. This is what I think. Now, this can be a flat ABC too, because, example, just want to show you, inside a flat ABC, what you get is an ABC inside your A wave. All right. And we had an ABC right here in my subcount, and it's why it also can be a flat ABC that we are seeing right here. And I want to show you, you have your A wave completed, and now we would be inside a B wave and going back inside a C wave. Okay, this is another possibility that this retracement would not be over, in that we are in some kind of other pattern. But I'm subcounting here possibly that Elrond will end this retracement of this A wave around 169, 170. But usually I want you to understand that, let's take this out, that if this is an ABC in flat, there is only two possible targets. The 0.9 and the 1.23, and we are getting 171 and 184.12, which mean for me, inside this zigzag pattern ABC, a bounce from here is expected, and this is what I'm waiting for. And I've been, I'm going to be a buyer here. I'm going to be a buyer here. I think we'll have a very nice bounce from there, and I'm waiting for that. Very, very, happy to be able to track this with my Elliott Wave subcount. Personally, I think this can be the end of this A wave, and from there we can bounce back inside a B wave, inside an ABC and zigzag. This is something really, really important. But now, just want to bring before this ABC, for sure we are inside this ABC, and to try to find the most probable target for this C wave in pink. Okay, we need to take our trend-based fib extension. We're gonna grab the ultimate top, bottom of A, and top of B. And we have the 100, the 123, and the 161.8 that are most probable targets. Also, 61.8 was one, but was broken. And now it's why it's coinciding with this zone, the 1.23 zone right here, perfectly. All right, 161 is also a possible target, but to do that, we need to break the 169.23, which I don't think we're gonna break. I think we're gonna hold a very good support at that point. Even here, we are starting to see bullish divergence on the RSI and a couple of indicators on higher time frame. Even daily time frame now is diverging, which is, you know, they are the first sign of a reversal, and we need to consider them. Let's just gonna bring this, the RSI, and we are on the daily chart right here, and you can see very, very clear here that the RSI is not going lower and not creating a lower low than this point, but the price, yes, which is a bullish divergence class A, which means at the end of the day today, with this candle close, expect many flags, bullish pattern flags, in my opinion. We already had a couple, 3 flag bullish pattern, bullish divergence flags right here. Histogram, VW MACD, MFI, and now here expect the RSI. Also, we can take a look at the momentum. Momentum is diverging too. Right here, look, momentum is not going down, but the price is going down. And let's take a look at the MACD. MACD very low. Now look at this, same for the MACD. From here to here, we are going higher even with this retracement. Clear. All right, which means buyers are slowly coming back, and this is a very nice buying zone. I'm telling you, very nice opportunity to buy Elrond right here on this retracement. All right, 170, 171, 169, very nice targets for me. I'm a buyer, and you know, I'm waiting the price to come down at that spot. Now, if we really want to get some details on this subcount right here, we have a very nice impulse down in red, and we would like to figure out the most probable targets of this wave 5. First, we need to figure out if this wave 3 had reached more than 161.8. Let's do that. And you can see that very, very close, but I will give it to them because, you know, we used to grab the candle close, and for me, it reached at least the 161.8. And for that, we're going to take top 0.0, 0.1, 0.5, and we're going to bring the wave 5 fibs. And we are getting the 100, which was a possible target for this wave 5. I was pointing this out on Twitter, possible truncated wave 5, but it didn't happen. 161, right at 172.10, and the last possible target is the 160.35. This is possible, but if they want to do that, they will probably send a wick down right there to grab the liquidity. But for me, more realistically, this zone is in between 172.50 and 169 is the best buying zone. From there, I'm expecting a bounce. All right, I think you are following me now. If this is the end of this full A wave, what we can expect, we're gonna try to find out for most probable B wave target. We're gonna take our fib retracement tool from this point where I think we can go 169.23, and we're gonna go on top at a 544.25, and let's bring all the B wave possible targets. Here we go. 312.61, 401.7. They are all possible, but not the 0.9 and the 1.23 are not possible, which means 312.61, 400, 455, and 489 would be possible targets for B wave, which means this is gonna do something like this. A wave, okay, B wave, and we're gonna have this last C wave. Now it's too early to call. I'm not gonna, bring this inside, but example, if this scenario is playing out, we can go right here at the 0.61, and we're gonna bring the zigzag C wave to get the possible target on C wave, and these 61.8 will be the first one, which will create a double bottom right here. But also we can go at the 100. This will be the last possible targets, but at that moment we would for sure subcount everything and bring the other possibility. But now it looks possible, in my opinion, that we can play this pattern, this ABC right here in zigzag, and we're gonna follow this. I'm gonna follow this with you, and cheers. Hope you are having fun. Hope you are LT, and let's bring the money on the table. Let's go, people. I love you. Cheers. Bye bye.